Hello guys and good morning. This is Sir Jerry Carlo Almeida, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use or how to install and use Discord in your Android devices. So I recently found out that the Discord can save bandwidth compared to Google Meet and Facebook Live, but this is only optional for us. But if you want to use the Discord, or if you want to have a special session for that, we can use this one. So for us to start, let's open Play Store, then search for the Discord app. So here. Now install Discord. So we will wait for a few seconds depending on the internet connection. So it is only 55 MB. Okay, now the app Discord app is now installing. So depending on your phone, right? So I'm using Realme 6 Pro, so it depends on the interface. So to get started, let's click open. So the Discord app will open. So I encourage you to register your account right here. So your username should be the same as your, what do you call this, should be the same as your ICI email. So if this is my first name, then include the dot, then my last name. So you do it like that. Then my email is there, and then my password is, you enter your own password, right? So, and so on and so forth. Now after registering, don't forget to check your email address to confirm your registration. So I already have one. Okay, so that one, going to blur out the password entry. Now once you have installed the Discord, right, now you will receive an invitation from my account. So for example, this is the IT. I'm going to have, I'm going to share this account. I'm going to create an invite link. So that one, then I'm going to copy this link, create a link, right? So the invite has been copied. So let's try this one to my account. I'm going to log off. There's the log out button here. So I'm going to register the this one, Carlo.almeida. My email is this one, my password. So when I create an account, you have an invite already. So join friend. So just paste the link here. That one, join. So you will see this one. So for example, if you are grade 12, then you will see this link. For if you are a grade 11, especially for MTech class, you will see that also. So I will send each links for you to join. So when you click accept invite, you will see this one. Okay, we have the general rules and regulations. That one. So there are different things you can do here. The stream links, I'm going to add in one here. Then how to start an audio conversation. So just click any of the voice channels, then you're going to click connect to voice, allow that and talk here. So hello, you have the option to enable overlay, guys. So no thanks for me. So I can talk here. Then I'll try to join the live stream session. All right. So apologies for the feedback. Use the Discord on your Android devices.